that is funny. The kitchen island was under.
Yeah,
oh, the power. Oh, okay. Okay,
the
so
concrete.
good. Okay.
Yeah.
Well, at least they did that right.
Yeah.
Wow, on carpet and padding.
But yeah.
And then that on that
Uh-huh.
vinyl. Wow. Now, most dishwashers are powered by an outlet coming out of the wall, but in my kitchen, the dishwasher makes the power that feeds the outlet that then gets daisy chained to the island and the rest of the house. Oh, it's making me nervous. Oh no. Oh, jeez. Whoa. Okay, I'm gonna need to both hands for this. Whoa. Oh, don't fall on my foot. Don't fall on my foot. The temporary kitchen looks like when you go to a motel and they have a continental breakfast, but they set it up in the janitor's closet and forgot to tell the janitor, here is the kitchen sink / bathroom shower toilet area. So this wall and all of this room's electrical I did in some other video, but now I get to do the back of it, and apparently I get to do a stove with like a 240 down here. I think, where's the stove? The stove was over here, and I figured out why the house was so cold. It's because it has this duct going outside, and the intake, it's like a vehicle. It has a cold air intake. This is the air return for the HVAC on this side of the house, and it's right next, so it just sucks up all the cold air in the winter from directly from outside the house. It couldn't be worse for the heating. Temporary storage, so we'll see how this goes. Hope it doesn't take all day to assemble. All this water. That goes over here. That's the old stove. Goes off into the wall somewhere. Well, that was a colossal failure. It's almost as if Harbor Freight products are not designed to withstand heavy-duty applications. So here's the current situation. You can see where the drop ceiling came to about here. Took that off, and it came to out there, and I said, screw it, I'm gonna bring it up even higher. And tomorrow is a big day. I've got a gigantic glue lamp sitting outside that is gonna go pretty high up here. On the downside though, there's like literally open vent areas to the outside. That's kind of a bummer. So it's kind of cold in here. Here's another area. I just kind of opened in the crawl space, and I got it sealed off to the rest of the house over here like Dexter. It's kind of hard to see without the lights since all the electrical is just exposed and insulation is everywhere. Today's the day. In about an hour here, we're gonna put up these glue lambs, and I have to say I've not been as nervous about any part of this as I am about these. This is not gonna be fun.
What do we need?
This is one of those geometry things, like in high school, there's probably some function, you know, to figure out how to make this work.
Because we gotta get around that one.
Well, yeah, but these are holding the roof up. That's the problem.
We gotta come this way, get around it, right?
Yeah, so we gotta push it towards you.
And it's gonna go between this one and the other one?
Between this one and that one.
Okay.
Without hitting them. Yeah. It's a new kitchen ceiling right there. $500 in wood. It's insane. That was half as much a year ago. Next is going to be the electrical and getting it up to code, hopefully, and plumbing. There's a bunch of little stubby guys, well, a couple of them, and some mystery copper that are just kind of running up in the middle of nowhere in case you want rain in the middle of the kitchen. So I gotta figure out all that. But well, yeah, then, you know, little things like cabinets and sink and appliances and all that. But at least the structural stuff is done. That's a relief. Well, there's my weekend. I like to label things, especially if you're doing a lot of J boxes everywhere. That way you don't have to open them up or trace the wires. Let's see. Okay, so there's a bajillion wires here. Code, or newer codes, I guess, you need a dedicated circuit for your dishwasher and your garbage disposal. So I'm just gonna go ahead and run new circuitry for that, but I think everything else in the kitchen is good now. Got all this 12-2 everywhere. Why not, right? As long as you're doing it, might as well spend a few extra bucks for the extra amps, just in case. That white paint really does not leave any nicks to the imagination. Wow, you couldn't even notice any of these before I painted it, but I just stand out like a sore thumb. Not sure, but I'm pretty confident your front yard is not supposed to look like this. So I'll just walk around and here we go. Take a video of where all the wires currently are. I neglected to record some of the drywall and floating and the ducting work. This is all brand new ducts up here, up there, which is all working. Cabinet install went pretty well. The granite looks great. The fabricator did a really good job. Brand new sinks, appliances, you know, the whole deal. So the there's definitely some loose ends. Backsplash situation is kind of unknown still, but you can really picture how it's coming together.